What are you doing? What are you doing, Yvette?
Are you done?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. Hey. Really? What do you got? What is that? Oh, yeah? Hey. What is that? Owie, that hurts. Oh, yeah? Are you trying to get into that iced tea? It's not going to happen. Can I have some? Can I have it? Oh, no sharing? Yep, a hat. Oh. Hi. Say hello. What's your sister doing? There you go. Get it on right. Whose hat is that?
Mine.
Oh, it's yours? No? This sure looks good on you. Whoa. What's your sister?
Huh?
Hey, hey. Did you see her?
Yeah.
Can you blow me kisses? I love you.
Yeah.
No. Are you being mean or shy? Oh, okay. Who's that over there?
Mama.
That's Mima. Can you say Mima?
Mama.
Where's Mama? Right here? Yeah, right here. Can I have a kiss? Give me kisses. Can you blow me kisses? Love you. Let's go back to Sissy over here who's trying to get that bottle open. Yeah. Say bye-bye.